Right, people, in the last video we ended it off with not knowing exactly, what was the fate of the engine, and I've took the whole of yesterday and most of today to basically try to get a proper answer what we're going to do. And I've had a few different things, a few different thought processes. One, you buy a second-hand engine and just chuck it in. The positives of that are it's going to be easy to just chuck it in. The negatives that are we have no idea what's up with that engine, and there could be an issue with that. The second thing would be to just get a second-hand bottom end and just refresh our head. Same thing, we still might wrong something with the bottom end, and we might not be able to get the head redone. The third thing is to just fully rebuild the engine. Now I was speaking to Rusty Fat, thank you so much Rusty Fat. He said that if I bring the engine to him, they'll fully check it out, and if I want to go down the line of forging it, we can get the prices of that as well. So, but the issue is with that is we don't know if just a rehone is going to get rid of the scratches inside the bore. That's just because the scratches inside the bore, it's going to create a compression loss, it's going to create blow by, and that's going to be the big issue. We don't know if anything's cracked, we don't know why the spark plugs come off in the first place inside the cylinder. That's what we think it is. There's so many different issues, and to be honest I've still not got down to the bottom of what I'm going to do, but every one of those options starts with this engine needs to come out regardless. Either put a new one in, or we're scrapping it, or we're rebuilding it, it needs to come out. So Mr. William is here with hello. And we're going to try, well, he called me, well he just turned up at my door, I think 10 minutes ago was that we're going to do this, so we're not prepared, but we're going to try and get the engine out. With the gearbox?
I'm going to let you decide.
I think with the gearbox, I think with the gearbox, so I'm definitely still going to take the engine apart to a professional and see what's happened and see if it could have been reused, how much, if we can rebuild it, if it's a spare engine, or if it's scrapped, and why. What's happened? Why has the spark plug come out into the cylinder head? We don't know why. We're all pretty sure something's got in the piston, and because considering there's spark plugs, bits of spark plug around the rock cover gasket and stuff, I'm pretty sure it's a bit of a spark plug that's in there, and it obviously the piston's been using it as a press and just smacking the spark plug into this head. Well, let's try and get this engine out. Disclaimer, I have never done this in my entire life. Ever. I have never took an engine out of a car, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I think I've got to take the shifter out, right?
Meant to be a...
mate, I don't know shit, bro. I fake it till you make it, you know me, mate.
I'm pretty sure it's that anyway. I have to take all this off, mightn't I? His mate texted me today, actually.
Did he?
Yeah.
What did he know?
He was like, I know that car. He said, I was like, what's wrong with it? He said, all I know is that apparently it was overrated.
Oh, cool, he would say that, wouldn't he?
Yeah, and he was like, I've seen it running 2 months ago. I was like, oh, it was running 2 months ago then. Because someone told me there was a fucking head gasket wrong with it. Yeah, and the rest. Might be an head gasket wrong with it, but it was caused by a fucking detonation in fucking cylinder 4. Here's a shifter, boys. I would have took out the complete wrong thing if Will was here. I think something did drop on the floor, so we'll have to double check. We'll smell that. Oh.
Smell nice.
If anyone's not watching,
I've smelled much worse than that.
If anyone's not watching, they don't know what we're on about. Gearbox oil is the worst thing since the broken S13. What did you say? Well, you think that that's not bad at all?
I think it'd be fine.
You think with a hone?
Yeah.
Bit of a hone and just a new rings. That's what people have been saying to me. You know, I'm not gonna lie. There's a couple of them that are like, whoa, scrap that.
I think you should stop being a pussy and just send it.
Yeah, I know, but now I'm reusing that engine. Now I don't want to send it. So we had this discussion today. We was like,
no,
fuck
I
it.
mean like forge it. Like,
oh, forge it.
Yeah, push the battlefield.
Yeah, I think I will. To be fair, thinking of it now, I think I will.
To the Patreon.
But we just need to know if we can hone it and then put the same size piston, because we have to rebore it. Then you have to put oversized pistons in. But I think we're gonna forge it. But yeah, let's get out. No, I have always said it. Yeah. Right, should we get this engine out or what? Wherever it is, the drain bolt. Oh, is it that under? I can't see. Oh bollocks! I think that was like a fucking hex 12 or something, mate.
It was like big.
Well, let me Google it because I can't. I see it under here and I can't see shit. We need to just take the engine mounts off, and the prop shaft is just pushed in this side of the gearbox. So as we bring it out, I'm just going to be underneath and just guide it out and just put a bucket underneath so it don't piss out everywhere. What is it a slave cylinder on these? To be fair, it's not exactly the nicest place to fucking be down here. Oh, I can see the oh yeah, but your fucking straps round it. Yeah, no, your straps round it. Fucking hell, he's tight. Leverage. Ah, you fuck. I might need that 1/2 inch. Fucking hell. Oh. Right, there's one. Oh. Clog on, you can. I hate doing things on the ground. Unless it's sex, then it's alright. Right, okay.
You like sex on the floor?
Oh yeah, mate. Oh. Shit now. This ain't fun, bro. I took a fucking out. Oh shit, right, the slave's out. This contraption here is to get the engine mounts. Have we got slack? Have we got tension on that? Yeah.
Hooking the crane into the front.
Right, if you go there, that's just on the bottom of the engine there. This is the last gearbox bolt, and then we need to be ready to angle this bad boy out. So yeah, see lads, it's not that bad under, is it? It's not that dirty. It's actually not that bad. I mean, there's some bad bits, but other than that, right, I'm getting ready for this gearbox to fucking drop. Right, hang on. I've got the gearbox here, one sec. Let me rearrange. Yeah, don't lose them 2 bolts there for the...
You put them somewhere very safe.
They've camouflaged in this floor as well, aren't they? I'm going to put them all together. There we go, just a different bit of flooring.
That's a nice bit of sealant on that the oil filter housing thing. See, look at that.
Oh yes. Yeah, look at that.
Lovely.
Lovely. Oh yeah.
Change the spinning the other side.
Did you loosen that?
Look at the other side.
It's still fucking loose though.
A lot of things on this car have been apart.
Mate, what the fuck? Alternators off. Got to take the starter off. Anything that's going to get in the way basically. So we have to get all this wiring out here. We don't know what this is going to.
That's the floor.
Hang on. No, surely not. Oh, is it? Oh, is there a line?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a line from the.
There'll be like a coolant or something.
Oh, that. And then what about the? Oh yeah, the banjo bolt there for the oil feed's got to come off as well. What's this?
Yeah.
Wait, that's not that one. I took the wrong side out. It's the other side. It's the other side that goes to the block. I think we're ready, mate. We're ready. Hang on. Let me get underneath. Yep. Oh, quick! Right, hang on. Right, I'm gonna follow. Jesus Christ. Right, hang on. Here, just leave it a second. Let the oil drip out. Ugh. Right, let's just let the oil drip out first. Yeah, leave that out for a sec. Right, I need to start going forward a bit now. Forward a bit again, it's hitting. Shit. Right, hang on, let me come to the front, wait there.
So now if you start dropping the car.
Let that gear, let's slow it all, fucking give it a minute. Is it going any higher?
That's it. So drop the car.
Right, drop the car, yeah? To be fair, if I just drop this side, it might be enough, mightn't it? Oh, you bastards!
This is down here. Took down by itself.
Hang on, watch that fucking... Hang on, let me get that wire out. Leave it there a sec. Anything underneath it?
Yeah.
Is there anything? Good? Yeah, go on. Phew, there she is. There we go, the engine is out and we're going to be taking it up to Rusty Fat to get it diagnosed. So, huge thank you, mate. We're going to be taking it, he's going to be taking it apart and seeing what the hell's happened, seeing if it's fixable. And just seeing if a simple fix will fix it. So I'm absolutely knackered. If not, we're either going to go down the route of forging it, or we're going to get another engine, or we're just going to get the other engine and just forge this as we wait, so we're not rushing to get it back on the road. But I'm intrigued. Sorry, I'm absolutely knackered. But he said we're cracking on. I've never took an engine out. It's the first time I've ever took an engine out. So, for now guys, I think that's the end of the video. This weekend I'm going to go home and see my mum. Next weekend we're going to get booked in and somehow get it up to rusty fat, put it in the back of a van or something. But yeah, we're cracking on and we're definitely not scared.